Welcome to Speed Superbikes and our video presentation of this 2022 Ducati V4 Pikes Peak. Two owners from new, 6,675 miles, front tyres all good. Paintwork is stunning on these, does look very nice. TFT screen, keyless ride, adjustable screen, hand guards, also got the Akrapovic pipe on there as well. Got the luggage racking system. Obviously being the Pikes Peak, it's got all the Ohlins. Cruise control. Again, the paintwork is very, very nice on this. Again, Ohlins front, Brembos, quick shifter. Semi-active suspension. So it's had the heated grips fitted to the bike as well. So new, the bike was 25,000, nearly 26 grand. We do have an invoice in there for a service that he's had done as well. With obviously the keyless ride, master key and the wallet. Sorry, just get this lot off so you can see the seat. If you are finding this video at all helpful, or even if you're just enjoying looking at the V4 Pikes Peak, please like and subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like any more information on buying this bike, please give the showroom a call or pop along to our website, make sure it's still available. Give us a call, we'll be more than happy to answer any questions you have. Thank you for taking the time to watch.